Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. It is the weekend. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. These are coming from my good friends over at Aukey on Amazon. They got really cool computer stuff, tech stuff, a lot of cool gadgets to try out. So definitely, when you guys got some free time, see what they have to offer and get them at a low cost, and we'll see what they got now to send us. This thing is winning awards right now in the tech industry, so this is a new gadget for the new year, and we'll see what it is. Bada-boom. Ooh. 2-in-1 wireless transmitter and receiver. These are really nice to have in case you're gaming and you don't want to be distracted by your wife or your girlfriend. You could have your headphones on through the PS. I'll show you guys the setup, how I do it. It's really cool. You can have headphones or like a portable speaker for like a sound bar. You could do like I do, and can listen to music that way, or play video games for extra sound. And for movies, it sounds really good once you hook it up to your speaker. But these things are really nice to have. You can hook it up to your PC, your Mac, all that good stuff. Like I said, I got a smaller one, not like this, but this is definitely a nicer one. There we go. But they got a coupon right now. You could also save some money. Here's all the good stuff, but they got like keyboards. Aukey. So there they are, the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Everything is back up running. We got the nice little manual. We don't need it. It's really simple to hook up. So like I said, I'm going to try on the PS4 do it. We got the THX or THQ cables. I forgot what these are called. Oh, we got those. We got the standards, the USB, and the red and white. And I'll take a look at this little guy. Really cool. So like I said, when you guys got free time, take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. They'll get this shipped out to you in no time. So it'd be great for like a little gift, housewarming gift. There we go. So here's the back, or the bottom. That's where you plug it in, USB, and those cables I showed you. These for like a true surround. And we got the power on, Bluetooth, bypass, receive, transmit. Here's the front. They got the Aukey logo right there. Look at that. I like this stuff right here. Oops. There we go. Shows a nice display right there. Well, let's take this off. Boom. So that's that. Turn it on. Probably gotta charge it. Yeah, I think I gotta charge it today. Alright, give me a minute. I'm gonna hop over to my USB ports and have this charge. But you, like I said, you can hook up headphones, TVs to it, and you could listen to the baseball, football games coming up, hockey games, like I said, movies, Netflix. You can listen to on your headphones and stuff. So definitely a cool device. But give me a few minutes. I'm gonna set this up, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back in my room now. I got the PS network going on, so we're gonna hook it up Bluetooth. This is normal TV sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's alright. Speakers, so in case you want to boost your TV, got that cable right there hooked up, the USB. Put you guys down for a sec, and all you gotta do is plug it in to your USB spot right here. It should be easy plug in. Oops. There we go. And then it's lighting up right here. And then, so I'm going to use this speaker as like a sound bar. Sounds really good. So I'm going to turn it on.
Power on.
Here we go.
Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
Should pair. Aukey, shout out to Aukey. Oops. I gotta switch. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, has I plugged in my optical cable, so it's right in there. I plugged it in, and let's see if this thing works. I'm not using Bluetooth. Okay. On optical. Alright. Now let's see if we could get this sound going onto that speaker. I think it's hooked up. Let me turn off the TV sound. Come on. There we go. Okay, that's not hooked. Now we're going to hook the Bluetooth.
Power off.
There you go. Try this again.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Alright.
Pairing.
Should pick it up. You got the optical plugged in. Alright, hold on one sec. Alrighty, sorry about the delay. Just figured it out. I'm using the optical cable in slot 2. Put it up to my PS4. And I'm running it off the Bluetooth, that speaker. Sounds really clear. And make sure you have it on Bluetooth mode. If you guys could see it. And to TX. Slide those over, it will connect right away. Really easy to hook up. Then these are the settings you want. I'm gonna focus. There we go. So really cool. So like I said, you can have 2 headphones hooked up to it, or one of these sound bars, something else. But yeah, definitely a really sweet thing to have to add to your entertainment setup for your gaming or for streaming. That's Spider-Man in the background. But definitely check them out. Aukey, really great company. They make keyboards like that one right there, mechanical, and other goodies, mouse pads. So really cool. And what else do we have here? Add a few. Mono input DC 5 volt 3.5 millimeter audio cable that we had, RCA, Tasslink optical. The optical is no joke. Definitely glad I got one. And like I said, really easy to set it up in Bluetooth. All you had to do was hold this for like 3 seconds and it pairs it up really fast. TVs, DVD players, you can hook it up to your Macs, all that good stuff. Let's see what else I could figure out really quick. I think that's pretty much it. So, like I said, when you guys got some free time, check them out. Aukey, Amazon Prime, get one of these in no time. Definitely worth having. So, and it's really doesn't take up much space at all. I just got to rearrange it now since I got it working. So it's on Bluetooth, and that's on Bluetooth. So really good. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend. See you back tomorrow.